In many ways, an RV is very similar to a house. When we talk about the bathroom in an RV, typically the shower is separate from the toilet, which is very convenient for using both at the same time. The shower in our RV looks very much like a regular shower. It has both cold and hot water, so you can mix it to your liking. The shower has a convenient button to open and close the water flow. This way, you don't have to adjust the water temperature every time you use it. However, after finishing your shower, don't forget to close the main valve to prevent water leakage. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this, and the most important, don't forget to enjoy the ride. See you soon.